Good morning, student. So, we finished our first chapter, right? Today we are going to start our new chapter, which is living things. Can you tell me what is living thing? We all know that all thing which is alive is called living thing. Very good. Student, living things are different from each other. That we all know. But they all have some common features, right? So in this chapter we are going to learn about that features. So our first feature is living things grow. Students, now tell me, are you growing? Yes, we all are growing, right? We all are growing bigger and taller. Our body will grow for some years. But if we are talking about animals, they grow only in the early part of their lives. See, right? Animals only grow in the early part of their lives. Now tell me about plant. Did you see a baby plant? Yes. Then after some days, some months or years, it become a big shrub or tree, right? We can say that living things can grow, but non-living things do not grow. Like your chair, your toy, do not grow, right? So our first feature is living things grow. That all thing which is living thing can grow. Now our second feature is all living things produce young ones. Student, all living things produce young ones like themselves so that life on the earth can continue. So each living being produce its own kind. Like human beings produce human babies. Dogs produce puppies. Cats produce kittens. Right? All babies are cute now. The process by which living beings the process by which living things produce their own kind is called reproduction. I repeat it. The process by which living things produce their own kinds is called reproduction. So, second feature is all living things produce young ones. Now, let's start third feature. All living things need air to live. Students, we all know that air is a mixture of several different gases, including oxygen and carbon dioxide. Most living things use oxygen to breathe and to release energy from their food. Animals such as dogs, cats breathe in air through their noses. Fish breathe in air through gills. Birds breathe through holes in their beak. And insects through spiracles. But what about plant? We all know that plant is also living thing, right? So air is important for plant also. Yes, air is very important for plants also. Actually, plants take in air with the help of tiny holes called stomata. This is a picture of stomata. Look at here. In this picture, we can see that a stomata is in leaf. There is a open and close holes which is called stomata. So always remember with this tiny holes plants take in air. It is called stomata. Very good. Now, so we can say that all living things need air to live. Now, our fourth feature is all living things need food and water. Students, we all know that all living things need food and water to survive. If any such creatures do not get food for a very long time, they will die. We already know that food and water help us to grow and live, right? It also gives us energy to work and play. Do you know? Most animals get food and water from surroundings, like tiger eat other animals. Bears and foxes eat both plant and animals. But do you know how will plant get their food? I tell you. Plants do not eat food like animals. They make their own food in their leaves. See, a plant needs sunlight, carbon dioxide, minerals, and water to make food by photosynthesis. Plants cannot live without water. They take in water from soil with the help of their roots and reaches every part of the plant. Right? That's why we say now, leaves is the kitchen of the plant. So, we can say that all living things need food and water. So now, it's time to recall. Our first feature is living things grow, but non-living things do not grow. All living things produce young ones like themselves, but non-living things do not produce young ones. Living things need air to live, but non-living things do not need air to live. Living things need food and water, but non-living things do not need food and water, right? So here we finish our 4 feature of living thing. In next video, we continue from 5th one. Thank you.